This video covers the process of replacing the strap on DLxFC pulling winches. Separate any load from your winch, then you'll need to remove its top and side covers. Use a 3/4 inch wrench to loosen the handle nut on DLxFC 1200s and 1500s, and a 15/16 inch wrench on 1900s and 2300s. You don't need any tools to get the quick attach handle off of a DLX 2600 FC driveshaft. To remove the 2 Allen screws and Allen bolts from your DLX FC cover, only use hand-operated Allen wrenches. A 1/8 inch Allen wrench is needed to loosen the 2 top cover screws on the back of your winch. Then pry the top cover off of the side plates and the Allen bolt at the front of your winch. Use a 9/64 inch Allen wrench on the side cover bolts on the non-handle side of the winch. Then remove both side covers. To get the strap off your winch, grab 2 9/16 inch wrenches and loosen the nut on the end of the strap bolt until you can remove it. Put your winch in freewheel mode, then pull all of the strap off your winch's reel hub until no layers remain. Remove the strap bolt from the reel and looped end of the strap. Then rotate your winch's reel until the oblong-shaped slots in the side plates are accessible. Set the looped end of your new strap in between the slots and slide the strap bolt through it all so its threads are on the gear side of the reel. Thread the nut onto the end of the bolt, then tighten it with your 9/16 inch wrenches until it's just barely snug. Wind all of the strap around the reel hub in flat layers that don't curl over on the sides, and so that it goes over the top of the reel. Then re-engage the ratchet pawl. You can now reinstall your winch's side and top covers. Slide the side covers onto your winch so they meet in the center. The longer side cover bolt goes near the drive shaft or shafts of your winch, and the shorter side cover bolt should be inserted by the reel of the winch. Use your 9/64 inch Allen wrench to tighten both of them until no gaps remain where the 2 side covers meet. On DLX 12 and 1500 FCs, position the top cover so its 2 outside hooks go underneath the bolt and the middle hook goes on top of it. On DLX 19, 23, and 2600 FCs, the top cover's metal plate must slide under the bolt. If you can't get the cover positioned on the bolt like it needs to be, use your 9/64 inch Allen wrench to slightly loosen it. Position the ratchet pawl so it fits into its slot in the cover. Press down on the top cover so its protruding pieces snap all the way into the side cover slots. Then snugly tighten the 2 screws on the back of the top cover with your 1/8 inch Allen wrench. But be sure not to over-tighten them. Slip the handle back onto the drive shaft of the winch, then retighten the nut to hold the handle in place on all DLxFC models except the 2600. Thank you for watching this video. Go to our YouTube channel for more videos like this, and reach out with your ideas for future DL video topics.